I'm Maddox from Daskell. In our last conversation, we talked about building an AI first workforce. Today, I want to dive deeper into something critical understanding how AI thinking differs from human thinking and when they should work together. If your team is struggling with task allocation, unsure what AI should handle versus what humans should own, this conversation is for you. You know humans think creatively and solve complex problems in ways that feel natural and intuitive. But do you know how human thinking fundamentally differs from AI thinking and when they should collaborate for maximum impact? Let me guess what happens in your organization. Teams assign tasks without clear guidelines. Sometimes AI gets the creative work. Sometimes humans spend hours on data analysis that AI could handle in minutes. You're wondering, how do we know who should do what? Think about your last big decision. You gathered data, considered context, applied judgment, maybe consulted others. But now you want to consider how to optimize collaboration with AI in your role. Ready to optimize AI collaboration? Use this simple framework. For analysis, AI handles data processing, humans provide interpretation. For decisions, AI delivers options and probabilities. Let me share a simple example. For strategic planning purposes, allow AI to process market data and competitor analysis. The collaboration allows humans to leverage the analysis and interpret business context and make strategic choices. This collaboration framework helps organizations allocate thinking tasks for optimal results. Check out our AI collaboration courses with tools for leaders and visit our AI First Workforce page at daskell.org. Subscribe to this channel for more conversations on AI transformation and drop a comment below.